These are the various features of stock exchange. The first one is the nationwide coverage. Earlier, stock exchanges in India, they were regional, right? And they operated in a limited jurisdiction. Fine. The people who used to live near to their, the regional stock exchanges, fine, they could participate. But the investors who used to stay away, live far away from their jurisdiction, right, they could not participate, right, because the stock exchanges in India, they were regional, fine. But now the trading at the stock exchange has become very, very easy, right? It has become easier because now there is a simple procedure that you can contact any broker, any local broker, right? You just need to contact a local broker and you have to just open a demat account. Wherever you are, right, you just have to contact the broker and open a demat account and you can do the trading, right, irrespective of the place you are staying, right, at. Second feature is the online trading. At stock exchanges, trading is done online. The process of trading, how it takes place, that the investors, with the help of computers, they contact the brokers, they place the order, right. Further, the broker execute the order of the investor with the help of computers only. The central computer network of NSCI and OTCI, that is these are the two stock exchanges, national level exchange stock exchanges. One is National Stock Exchange of India and over the counter exchange of India, right. So there is an online transfer of securities and there is no physical transfer, fine. Third point is the transparency. Transparency means there is a transparency provided for the investors. Before investing any amount in the securities at the stock exchange, first investors are supposed to have all the information, right, about the different companies, about their performance, fine. So NSCI and OTCI, they have their own computer network base on which all informations they are available, right, means investors can check the price of transaction. Investors can check the price of transaction, means all informations are available after making the transaction or before making any sort of transaction. That's why this stock exchange, it assures fair dealing, fair deal, right, to the investors, plus they safeguard the interest of investors, that they should make a wise decision for making any kind of investment at stock exchange.